welcome back to Mind Muscle Memory, and at M3 we teach you everything that you need to know about connecting those muscles together and making sure that your physical conditioning is balanced between your right and your left side. That's when you're becoming an equalizer. You're becoming an equalizer just by testing, and you can become a stronger equalizer by performing the movement. So here we go today. We're going to perform a movement in which we're working again on shoulder rotation. So last time we did one of the shoulder rotations for holding our arms down. Now we're going to be bringing our arm up, and we're going to work our shoulder rotation movement up here, right? This is a natural position where we want to be able to have that shoulder stay there, not tighten the neck at all, but keep that shoulder right there, outside the elbow, right outside that shoulder, and just rotate and move that shoulder rotation so that when we go to do something, we're equal on this side, and we're also equal on this side. We might be putting, lifting something up, just generally lifting something up to get our arm to this position, but we might be doing a shoulder press motion. We might be wanting to throw a ball, but everything is going to rely on having that shoulder stay right there. And again, not tighten the neck, not drop the core down, but keep your core engaged and move and rotate that shoulder. Now, as we get really good with those repetitions, we could always, like we've done before, we could always add a little bit of resistance. But on that one, we don't have to really add too much resistance because we are going to be just working on those repetitions of moving and pivoting and rotating that arm right in the socket, right there in the socket, moving that shoulder rotation. On the other side again, putting that shoulder up in that spot where it's right outside, elbows right outside the shoulder, right? Moving that arm in that position so we can work on that shoulder rotation. So again, we're trying to always concentrate on how it feels, how does our muscle stretch and flex, and how equal is it on either side. So with the shoulder rotations, we really got to be conscious of having some of that strength, obviously, to keep those shoulders in that spot, but also the endurance, because every time we go to do some type of motion, we're going to be needing that strength and that positioning to put those shoulders in. So thank you so much. I hope you really enjoyed this video and you got to learn something from it. That's what we do at M3. We teach you all these tips and tactics to get your skills down, repeat the best movements, and get the most out of every movement and exercise you do. So please, if you like this, please share, follow us, and subscribe, and make sure you're on board for the next video for shoulder rotation, as well as all the other areas that we train around the body. We make sure the major movers are doing the right job and they're equalized. So become an equalizer by joining up with the M3 program. Thank you.